Most candidates who take the Walmart maintenance test already have the technical skills, but still fail. That's because this test doesn't just measure what you know. It measures how quickly and accurately you can apply that knowledge under pressure. In this video, we'll show you exactly what the test looks like, why it's difficult, and how to prepare so you can pass and land that Walmart maintenance job. The Walmart maintenance test is a 60-question technical assessment divided into 7 sections that reflect real maintenance work. It covers both mechanical and electrical topics, ranging from welding, hydraulics and pumps to PLCs, circuits, and electrical systems. The same test is used for both general maintenance associate and maintenance technician roles, but technician positions usually require a higher score. Let's look at an example of a typical question that you can expect on the test. In a 110-volt system, 3 appliances use 550 watts, 770 watts, and 330 watts. What is the minimum required fuse rating? Try to answer this question within 30 seconds. The correct answer is option C, 20 amps. Let me walk you through it. First, calculate the current for each appliance using the formula current equals power divided by voltage. So, 550 watts divided by 110 volt gives you 5 amps. 770 divided by 110 gives you 7 amps. And 330 divided by 110 gives you 3 amps. Now, add them together. 5 plus 7 plus 3 equals 15 amps total. Next, choose the correct fuse from the answer options. The key point here is that the fuse must be rated above the normal current, not equal to it. So if the system draws 15 amps, a 15 amp fuse would blow during normal operation. That's why the minimum required fuse rating is 20 amps. Imagine answering 60 questions like this across a wide range of technical topics under heavy time pressure. Even experienced technicians struggle with this. Because on the actual job, you can test, adjust, and fix the problem step by step. On the test, you can't. You need to know a wide range of topics, and you have to be able to apply that knowledge quickly under time pressure. On top of that, there's no trial and error. You have to recognize the problem and pick the right answer immediately. So, how do you prepare for this and actually pass the test? We recommend focusing on 3 things. First, focus on the areas you're less confident in or don't have much experience with, because that's where you'll lose the most points. Second, refresh key theory, especially formulas and how systems behave, because this knowledge often fades over time. And third, practice full-length tests, because knowing the material is not enough. You need to get used to the question style, the pacing, and the pressure of the test. Our Walmart Maintenance PrepPack is built to assist you in all of this. It's designed by our maintenance assessment experts and includes 7 full-length simulations that closely match the real test. During the simulations, you'll work through over 400 practice questions, each with detailed explanations to help you understand mistakes and improve your weaker areas. After each test, you'll get a detailed score report so you can see where you did well, what needs improvement, and whether you're ready for the real test. And on top of that, you'll get targeted study guides to review key concepts and strengthen your technical knowledge. The Walmart Maintenance PrepPack has helped hundreds of technicians pass their test, and it can help you do the same. Go to jobtestprep.com and search for Walmart Maintenance Test or click the link in the description. Good luck with your preparation and your test!